Good morning. Okay, we're going to start with rhyme recognition. I'm going to say 2 words. You give me a thumbs up if the words rhyme, thumbs down if they don't rhyme. Okay? Dirt shirt. Thumbs up, they rhyme. Less will. I hope you gave me a thumbs down. Bird 4. Thumbs down. Money, honey. Those rhyme. C, B. Yep, C and B rhyme. Okay, onset fluency. I'm going to say 2 words. You tell me the sound that they start with. Onset means beginning, start. Paint, pen. And I'll say this, and then you would say pa. They both start with pa. Near name. Mom, most. Find, feel. Room, ramp. Good. We're going to blend our phonemes. Phonemes are parts of the word. So we have S, E, C. Now you do it. H, E, he. Your turn. M, E, me. W, E, we. B, E, B. And I noticed all of those words rhyme. Okay, ooh, this is a hard one. We're going to try to find the middle sound. So we're going to use our roller coaster to see where that middle sound is, okay? It's called the medial sound. At. What's the sound? Ah. At. Okay. Hen. H. N. What did you hear up here? Eh. S. It. It. Op. Ah. Had my mouth ready for you. K. T. Good. Next page. We're going to segment, so get your choppers out. Hey. Huh? A. Now your turn. Hey. Say. S. A. Day. D. A. Way. W. A. Pay. Okay, we're going to add a phoneme. I have the ending sound O. I'm going to add G at the beginning to make G, O, go. Okay, now you're going to do it. I have I at the ending. Add H at the beginning to make H, I, high. I have A at the end. Put D at the beginning to make. I hope you had D, A, day. I had oo at the end. Put Y at the beginning. Y, oo, you. I have E at the end. Put S at the beginning to make S, E, C. Good. Now I'm taking part of the phoneme away, part of the word. I have the word may without what's left? A. I have the word we without what's left? E. I have the word tie without what's left? I. I have the word low without what's left? O. I have the word zoo without what's left? Ooh. Good. Last page. Now, substituting phonemes means I'm taking part away and putting in something new. Okay, we have the word go. Change the g to s. And you'll have so. I have the word so. Change s to n. And the word is no. No. I have the word no, change n to ul, and the word is low. I have the word low, change ul to t, and the word is toe. Good job. Okay, we have a new rhyme today. The first part, we're only going to learn the first line. You repeat after me. Roses are red. I bet you've heard this poem before. Okay, see you tomorrow.